First of all, let me wish you a very Merry Christmas from the cats at Cats at the Funeral. But while you're enjoying your very Merry Christmas, there's an atrocity going on under our very noses. The good people of Aldershot occasionally have to walk up to 10 minutes a day to go to the shop to buy standard strength alcohol. Alcohol not even strong enough to get them pissed enough at night to stand up for one of their girlfriends in the pub. This must stop, and it will stop. We can stop it, and we will stop it. So buy this twatting record, you
It's Christmas time. There's no need to be afraid.
At Christmas time, we let in mice and we banish Dave.
And without food that's meaty, we can have a glass of soy.
Throw your paws around the world at Christmas time, but say a prayer. Pray for the drunken ones at Christmas time. It's cold.
You're all having fun. I'll be looking through your windows.
Where there's a world of dogs and fear, where the only water flowing is some bitter mixed with tears, and the aspo tags that ring there, 'cause you tried to leave your room. Well, tonight, thank God it's them instead of you.
And there won't be hope in Aldershot this Christmas time. The greatest gift they'll get this year is lives. Where no one ever goes, where pain and sadness flow. Do they know it's Christmas time at all? Here's to you, raise a glass for everyone. Here's to them giving birth to 15 sons. Do they know it's Christmas time